said our goodbyes, for I had to put out to sea. Then my Rosalie said as she raised her pretty head, there's one thing that you could do for me. Put a tattoo on your arm with roses all around, some hearts and a cupid on each side, and in the middle where all can see, put my name, Rosalie, and the world will know that you belong to me. Oh Rosalie, a tattoo for you. Oh Rosalie, this I will do. When we put back into shore, I ran straight to her door, rolling up my sleeve on the way. Oh, she'd be so proud to see her pretty name tattooed on me, and it'd be upon my arm eternally. Oh Rosalie, this tattoo for you. Oh Rosalie, this I did do. We embraced and we kissed, and through a heavenly lover's mist, I held out my arm for her to see. Then when the tears